Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Roblox Studio and loading the place you want to change. This gives context for the main menu. Once done, enable Explorer and Properties so you can access objects and scripts quickly. Make sure Starter GUI is visible in Explorer, because the main menu will live there. If you don't see it, create a screen GUI inside Starter GUI. This sets the stage. Now you're ready to add buttons, frames, and scripts that control visibility and behavior. Now you build the visible menu. Add a frame inside Screen GUI and size it using scale units so it works on all screens. That's why we use scale. Once there, add text buttons named Play, Settings, and Quit, and style them for clarity. Next, insert a local script to connect button. Activate it to functions that show or hide menus and send remote events for server actions when needed. This division keeps UI responsive and secures server-only. Finish by thoroughly testing. Run Play Solo and start server with clients to confirm behavior across local and networked contexts. Once tests reveal issues, make sure remote events are used for server actions so clients can't exploit them. Validate permissions in server scripts. If the menu is invisible or buttons don't work, check that screen GUI. Reset on spawn isn't removing your UI, and confirm local script is a descendant of a player GUI at runtime. That single troubleshooting step solves most visibility problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.